In today's video, I will teach you how to enhance photos instantly using a free AI tool. Let's get started. Whether you're trying to improve an old photo, upscale a low-res image, or give a digital artwork a professional finish, AI Ease makes it incredibly easy to enhance images instantly with just a few clicks. So open your browser and head over to AI Ease Photo Enhancer tool. And once you're on the page, you can either upload your own image from your computer or try one of the sample images provided by the site to test the tool. And once your image is uploaded, you can check the left panel for customization options. For upscale options, you can choose to enhance your image resolution by 2 times or 4 times. Then pick the enhancement type that suits your photo. General, which is great for regular photos like landscapes or portraits. Art image, which is ideal for anime, digital art, illustrations, or paintings. And color, which is perfect for restoring or colorizing old black and white photos. You can also manage multiple images. If you want to enhance more than one image, you can click the add icon in the right panel to upload more, and you can easily switch between your uploaded photos and apply enhancements as needed. And once you've chosen your settings, click the Enhance button. And the AI will process your image, and in a few seconds, your enhanced photo will be ready. Now use the slider bar on your image to compare the before and after effect. This is super useful for spotting improvements in sharpness, color, and detail. And once you're happy with the result, simply hit download to save the enhanced image directly to your device. AI Ease's Photo Enhancer is a powerful and free way to instantly upscale, restore, or fine-tune any image, whether it's a low-quality selfie, digital illustration, or a precious old family photo. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.